A true classic is not just remembered, it is felt in every roar of the engine, every curve of its design, and every mile of the journey. The 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe remains one of the most iconic and stylish muscle cars of its era, known for its blend of power, luxury, and timeless design. This vehicle represented the peak of Oldsmobile's success during the golden age of American muscle cars, even decades after its release. Its presence on the road or at car shows continues to captivate enthusiasts. Since its introduction in the early 1960s, the Cutlass nameplate had undergone several modifications, with the 1970 model year being particularly significant. A redesigned front end, updated rear styling, and improved engineering were introduced to enhance performance and aesthetics. Built on GM's body platform, this coupe stood out with its elegant yet aggressive stance, making it a favorite among collectors. Under the hood, various engine options were offered, allowing drivers to choose from a balance of efficiency and raw power. The standard 350 cubic inch V8 delivered impressive performance, while those seeking more horsepower opted for the 455 cubic inch Rocket V8, which was capable of producing up to 370 horsepower. These engines were paired with either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or a 3-speed automatic transmission, providing a dynamic driving experience. In the realm of classic automobiles, few can rival the timeless allure of the 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe. The interior of the 1970 Cutlass Supreme Coupe was designed with comfort and luxury in mind. Plush vinyl bucket seats, wood grain paneling, and a center console with a floor-mounted shifter gave it a refined yet sporty look. Optional features such as air conditioning, power windows, and an AM/FM radio added to the driving experience, making it one of the most comfortable muscle cars of its time. In today's collector car market, the 1968 Mercury Cougar holds a special place. Values vary based on condition, originality, and specific configurations. Over the years, the value of this classic coupe has steadily increased, depending on condition, originality, and restoration level. Prices for a well-maintained 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Coupe range between $20,000 and $50,000, while fully restored or rare performance models can fetch even higher amounts at auctions. Even today, the legacy of this car is celebrated among muscle car enthusiasts, with its bold styling, powerful engine choices, and a balance of luxury and performance. It continues to be regarded as one of the finest examples of American automotive history. Those fortunate enough to own or experience one firsthand understand why this classic remains a symbol of timeless muscle car excellence.